Imagine being in total darkness, cold pressure crushing you all over. But suddenly in the darkness, you find a light flickering. You swim towards it thinking it may be food or even a friend. But surprise! You see this guy, and he's part of your worst nightmare. This is the anglerfish, a deep sea nightmare that is so horrifying, even Hollywood's scariest monsters would swipe left. But there's way more to this deep sea demon than just its scary looks. Today, we are diving into the horrifying yet fascinating world of one of the ocean's weirdest predators. As always, I'm Dr. Ron, your friendly neighborhood zoologist. Let's get right into it. Okay, first off, yes, this thing is real. The anglerfish belongs to the order Lophioformes and is found in the deep sea up to 6,600 feet below the surface. That's nearly half the height of Mount Everest, but in the opposite direction. At these depths, sunlight is practically non-existent, meaning food is scarce and predators are sneaky. And everyone down there looks like a rejected Hollywood horror movie prop. Now here's what makes the anglerfish an absolute master of deception. That little glowing lure on its head. But this isn't some built-in flashlight. It's bioluminescence, and it's powered by bacteria that live inside the fish's lure. The esca is a small, fleshy, glowing lure found at the end of an anglerfish's modified dorsal fin. Like I mentioned, the anglerfish doesn't even make the light on its own. It hosts glowing bacteria that get a cozy home in exchange for helping the anglerfish hunt. Now, if you thought your love life was bad, wait until you hear about the anglerfish's romantic situation. Male anglerfish are super tiny when compared to the females. We're talking 10 to 40 times smaller than female. And instead of dating the normal way, they just merge together, literally. The males bite the female and their bodies fuse together and boom, he's stuck there forever like a deep sea clingy ex. His whole life now, just living like a sperm donor attached to the female for life. True love, right? Before we wrap up, here's some wild anglerfish facts. Not all anglerfish glow. Some species live in shallower waters and don't have the need for bioluminescence. Females are the scary ones. Male anglerfish are harmless, tiny, and basically just floating boyfriends. They eat prey as big as themselves. Thanks to an expandable stomach and a freaky unhinging jaw, they can swallow prey as large as their own size. So there you have it, boys and girls. The anglerfish, a deep sea monster with a built-in flashlight, a horrifying hunting strategy, and a love life straight out of a sci-fi horror movie. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Until then, I am Dr. Ron, your friendly neighborhood zoologist, signing off. Stay curious, my friends.